Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming access. Make sure you can unlock the device and know the Google account password or a backup method. Once done, backup essential data, contacts, photos, drive files to avoid loss. Now go to Settings and open Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Google sign-ins live. Make sure Screen Lock is temporarily disabled if prompted. You're setting the scene so removal proceeds smoothly without accidental data loss or lockouts. Proceed to remove the sign-in entry next. You now remove the account. In Accounts, tap the specific Google account entry and choose Remove Account. When a prompt appears about device protection or app data, read it and confirm. This prevents unintended data removal. If the device asks for your PIN or password, enter it to authorize the change. Once confirmed, the account disconnects from device services like Gmail and Play Store. If multiple Google accounts exist, repeat for each one you want off the device. Otherwise, continue to finalize sign-out settings. Finish by restarting the device and verifying Gmail and Play Store show you as signed out. If you're locked by factory reset protection, you'll need the original Google credentials to regain access. Otherwise, contact the device owner or use verified service channels. If apps still try to sync, clear cache and data for Google Play services and the Google app, then reboot. One key tip: if removal fails repeatedly, check for device administrator permissions and revoke them before trying again to avoid block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.